नमस्कार. आयच्या या खाशेल्या कार्यावळीत तुमकां सगळ्यांक येवकार. केसी दिसान दीस वाडत आसात. इतलें की कालची जर फिगर्स पळयली 300च्या वयर जाल्यार भंय दिसता. आनी गोंय राज्याचे भलायकी मंत्री विश्वजीत राणे आज आमचे बरोबर आसात. तांचे कडच्यान जाणून घेवया सरकार कितें करता, सरकाराच्यो उपाय येवजणी कितें आनी मुखार प्लान कितें आसा. सर, वेलकम टू द शो. सगळ्यांत पयली गजाल म्हळ्यार ही जी फिगर्स जर पळयली ह्या दिसांतली, वाडटा ती फिगर्स जर पळयली, संख्या जर पळयली, जाल्यार वॉट इज युअर रिएक्शन?
No, it is increasing, and also second thing is, the reason to come in front of you was that as far as the government of Goa is concerned and the health ministry is concerned, जे कितें पावलां घेवंक जाय, we are now trying to do a lot of correction, course correction. जे कितें करूंक जाय, हे सगळे correction म्हणजे don't take it that something went wrong, so you have to correct. It's not that. Where we can tweak things to see that things remain in control is what we are looking at. As far as आमचे आयज संख्या जे वाडपाक लागल्या, it is not only Goa is not only the state that is insulated from the rest of India has been my standard statement. आणि आता म्हाका एकूच सांगचें अशें दिसता तुमच्या माध्यमांतल्यान, आयज तुमचे कडेन ऑनलायन लायव्ह येवपाची गरज आशिल्ली, कारण लोकांक सांगपाक की आमी ज्या स्पिडीन वयता आनी आयज ऑल्सो गोंय राज्यांत आमी कॉम्प्लेसंट प्लाझ्मा थेरपी कंपॅशनेट ग्राउंडाचेर चालू केल्ले आसा. 2 पेशंट आमचे आशिल्ले, 2 पेशंटाक आमी प्लाझ्मा सो एक डोस दिलो आसा. तांकां आतां एडिशनल डोस दिले वयतले. एक पेशंटाक हॅज रिस्पॉन्डेड एक्स्ट्रीमली वेल टू द प्लाझ्मा थेरपी. हिज सॅच्युरेशन रेट हॅज इम्प्रूव्ड and is doing is very stable and doing well. And म्हाका तरी दिसता की आमी जे कितें एम्साचो प्रोटोकॉल आहा and गव्हर्मेंट ऑफ इंडियाचो जो प्रोटोकॉल आहा, ते आमी फॉलो अप करून आमी ते दुसरे पेशंट इज स्टेबल. He has, and that's why another dose of plasma is going to be given to him. We are encouraging through your medium is that more and more people come forward who have got cured from COVID-19, come forward to donate the plasma because this can save somebody else's life. As far as things are concerned in the state of Goa, cases are increasing. Cases yesterday was the highest spike even in terms of death. So what deaths? So yes, there is an issue. It is also, we all know that COVID-19 affects people in different ways. हांव तुमकां एक उदाहरण दिता. A friend of mine and also a former director of IPHP who was in Goa earlier, then became director of AIIMS, Dr. Sharma. His daughter is studying in research scientist in Harvard. And ती एक 18-20 वर्सां थंय रिसर्च सायंटिस्ट करता. ती आतां जॅपनीज कंपनी बरोबर काम करता. तिचे कडेन काल माझी चर्चा झाली. आणि मेन म्हणजे आमचो एक विषय आशिल्लो की कितें चल्लां, हे कितें, हाऊ डज वन डील in such a pandemic. I am constantly on the move to talk to people and talk to experts. So she said we need to be very careful because comorbidity is one condition, but second time it neurologically affects the person. After neurologically affecting the person, it affects the person under the skin, and third is the lungs get damaged. As far as the medication is concerned, what medicines are required, we have got sufficient medicines in stock. I'm encouraging people and I'm trying to see that different campaigns are carried out so that we can create awareness and even counseling for patients who have recovered from COVID-19. It is very important for us to have and see that these comorbid conditions are addressed in a different manner. We are putting more number of doctors from Goa Medical College in the hospital as far as the COVID-19 hospital is concerned. We need to do a lot of tweaking which needs to be done. Today I had a detailed conversation with the Chief Minister and what we need to do. We are taking those steps to see that we take things forward in a proper perspective. As far as a lot of people have given, we have also trying to see that JSAIDC is also roped in. As you are aware that never at ESI hospital, it was never in our mind that should be the COVID hospital. But today being the COVID hospital, we are seeing that whatever needs to be done, even we are getting the latest 32-slice Siemens CT, which is already ordered. In the next couple of days, it will be installed there. Also, patients with a lot of patients with kidney problems. We are trying to upgrade the setup there so that the dialysis and portable dialysis and all can be given to the patients in the hospital itself. We need to see that more in a very different way. We take care of the patients who are having comorbidities, who are there who are all the patients who are in the ESI hospital are mostly symptomatic patients having breathlessness issues and several other issues and other complications. So as a result, what we thought it is better to put more teams, put a proper epidemiologist as far as the hospital is concerned, and see how best we can address the issue. Tertiary hospital is Goa Medical College. So it is necessary that more teams are sent from Goa Medical College to look into each and every aspect of the patient. Also, high dependence unit is being put in Goa Medical in the COVID hospital. आनी जाय तशे गोष्टी हाय इंटेन्सिटी नेझल ऑक्सिजनाचे मशीन बी आहात ते बी हांवें प्रोक्यूर करपाक सांगल्या. जें कितें आमकां प्रोक्यूर करूंक जाय आयज चीफ मिनिस्टर कडेन चर्चा जाली. चीफ मिनिस्टरच्या माध्यमांतल्यान आयज जे मिटिंग्स आमी घेतल्या तरेतरेचे गोश्ट्यो आमी जाग्यार घालपाचो आमचो प्रयत्न चालू आहा. I can assure you through your platform is that whatever deficiencies or whatever issues are there, because many times we see that people put Facebook posts, people send WhatsApp images. I would like to assure the people of the state of Goa from through your medium is that we are addressing every issue that is raised. We are not escaping from any issue. And most importantly, I'm very happy today that the plasma therapy is started, and I've just got a letter from the Drug Controller of India. My FDA director just received it, and Drug Controller of India has given us permission to use the apheresis machine. So now it will be only the plasma that is extracted, so that other nutrients are again pumped back into this movement of donation of benefiting the patient. So we want to increase the usage of plasma, and we have a capacity for about 2,000 packs. So we need to see that we at least have about 500 to 1,000 packs immediately, and we need more people. Through your medium, Pramod, we want basically people to come forward. This is issue to the people that is absolutely safe to donate the plasma. It doesn't affect you in any way, and this will only help in saving people's lives. Several issues which are there time to time, we are addressing them, and give me another week's time. In another week's time, I can assure you that every issue is being addressed at a different level altogether. And we must ensure that these patients that are dying due to comorbidity, we must ensure that more teams are put so that we are able to save their lives, and see that, the state government of Goa is on a mission of making that hospital into a model hospital. So whatever it takes, it is taking little time, but whatever it takes is increasing because of the virus that is spreading not only all over the country, but also in our state of Goa. Many times a person doesn't come on time with symptoms to tell you that he's symptomatic. He infects other people. I do agree from our side there was a backlog for a bit, but now we are ordering another additional machines for all the other hospitals, TrueNet machines, and we will ensure that there's no backlog. At the moment, as we speak, we've got a backlog of about 1,600 tests. But this backlog which occurred because suddenly the number of people increased, and as a result of which, then the health system had to face this backlog and had to address the issue. Now we have an infrastructure for X, but that infrastructure we will further enhance it so that at no point of time there's a backlog of more than 1,000. But definitely there will always be some sort of a backlog. But we are doing our best to see that we take things forward in a different manner.
तुम्ही सांगतात ती सगळी गजाली मान्य, बट एक गजाल आसा ती म्हळ्यार टेस्टिंगाच्या बाबतींत जी आमची केसीस 4 ते 5 पटींनी वाडल्यो, पण आमची टेस्टिंग थंयच आसा. आमी 2,500 सुमार टेस्टिंग करताले, अजून मेरेन आमची कॅपॅसिटी थंयच आसा. कित्याक वाडयना सरकार टेस्टिंग? म्हणजे सरकाराक कळटा पण ताजेर एक्शन कित्याक जायना? वॉट इज द मेन रिजन गव्हर्मेंट इज ड्रॅगिंग इट्स फीट ऑन सच एन इम्पॉर्टंट इशू, टेस्टिंग वाडोवपाचो?
As far as testing is concerned, it is not as much as it was 1.5 months back. Now we are able to test up to about 2.5 to 3,000 people a day. Plus, in addition, we have got the antigen tests that we have done and used in Mangur and other places. आयज टेस्टिंग करपाक जाय जाल्यार आनी एडिशनल टेस्टिंग करपाक म्हणून आमची आयज चर्चा जाल्ली आसा. एडिशनल म्हणजे फेसिलिटीज वाडोवपाची, इन्फ्रास्ट्रक्चर वाडोवपाचें आमचें काम चालू आसा. लॅब टेक्निशियन्स पासून सगळे तरेतरेचे पोस्ट, and also many type of doctors and other things that we have already taken. Interviews over, and mostly what we are trying to do is to ensure that as far as the testing facility is concerned in Auspicio, in Ponda, and as far as MAPSA is concerned, we'll enhance it. I'm going to suggest to the secretary to have another 3 Morbio machines in all the 3 places, the TrueNet machines, because that will suffice. And the whole idea is to increase testing infrastructure. We have also asked the Chief Minister to sanction us 3 immunochemistry machines. There also we can do antigen tests, but antibody tests, but same time, it can also be used for several other testing, and diagnostics is something. And as far as labs and all, to upgrade the infrastructure, we are doing each and everything that is required. I think Goa was the fastest in a manner in which, from the time I interacted with you, we announced that we want to do plasma therapy. The Goa government was fast in ensuring that the infrastructure that is created in Goa Medical College, and also the inspection took place on top priority. And also the Drug Control of India has today issued a letter for the utilization of the apheresis machine, so that we can carry on with the plasma therapy in the state of Goa. So testing was an issue for a few days, but I don't think it will remain an issue anymore. We have already moved on separately to see that we have more number of machines added in all these 3 centers. In Goa Medical College, we don't need any more machines, maybe one more TrueNet machine. but we have a machine that can test up to 450 tests a day in GMC. With one TrueNet machine and the Abbott's machine, we are able to do between 500 to 560 tests a day. So this is the way forward. As far as remdesivir and other medicines are concerned, we got sufficient stock of these medicines, and we will be following and we need to follow the AIMS protocol as far as the treatment of patients is concerned. As far as COVID is concerned, COVID management will keep on evolving. COVID management and COVID care will keep on evolving based on the situation and circumstances and how the virus mutates. Hence, as a result of which, it is necessary for us to follow somebody. So we think it's following the AIMS protocol is the best way. Today, the AIMS team itself is treating our leader, Shri Amit Shah ji, and their whole Dr. Guleria, who's an expert and a top doctor. Under him, the whole team is managing his condition. So basically, we are here to understand and learn. And we are here to also see that whatever footfalls are there, and if there are some deficiencies in the past, we will try to see how to rectify them. But there is no running away from the situation. Yes, some places we find that some infrastructure improvement is required, some patient handling is required. We will be doing each and every aspect that is required to see that people know and understand and feel, and from their mouth itself you'll hear that the government is taking care of its people.
तशें जर आसा जाल्यार तुमचें म्हणणें कितें गोंया सारके राज्याक आनी ज्या स्पिडीन आमकां पॉझिटिव्ह पेशंट्स मेळपाक लागल्यात ते जर पळयले जाल्यार आयडियल नंबर ऑफ टेस्टिंग कितें कितले पर डे आमची टेस्टी कितली आसपाक जाय
We should have a inbuilt capacity of about 5,000 a day. We are at the moment at 3,000.
तुमकां एक गजाल दिसता की जितली गरज आसा ताज्या की ऑलमोस्ट एक 50% सद्याक आमची कॅपॅसिटी कमी आसा.
We are not sure. You said what is the ideal in today's rise, the way the cases are rising, what should be the government's capacity? I am saying the government's capacity should be around 5,000. 5,000 gives us that much of leverage to deal with any kind of situation and any kind of inflow of people that comes into the state of Goa that requires testing. I feel 5,000 is a good number. That's good enough for Goa. As it is, Goa is the highest per million testing as far as Goa is concerned, officially as recorded by ICMR.
एक गजाल म्हाका मुद्दम विचारची ताजेर वादय जाल्ला भरपूर आनी ती म्हळ्यार नवी प्रोटोकॉल आमची टेस्टिंगाचो बॅकलॉग वाडटा म्हणून आमी आमचे कॉन्टॅक्ट ट्रेसिंग कमी केलां. सध्या तर अशें चल्लां की फॅमिलींतलोच मनीस जे आसात तांकांच टेस्ट करतले, ताजे भोंवतणची जर कोणी आसात जे रेगुलर संपर्कां आयल्यात तांकां टेस्ट करचे नात. हाका लागून लोकांच्याय मनाक एक भंय निर्माण जाला की इनकेस आपूण जर एका मनशाच्या कॉन्टॅक्टाक आयला आनी सरकार जर म्हणटा की जो मेरेन तुमकां सिमटम्स येना तो मेरेन आमी टेस्टच करनात जाल्यार डोंट यू थिंक द सिच्युएशन वील बिकम मोर डेंजरस ऑन ग्राउंड.
ना म्हाका दिसता आमी कितलेंय सांगलें कारण कितें जालें की कोण पीपल हू आर नॉट रिक्वायर्ड टू बी टेस्टिंग ऑल्सो वर गेटिंग टेस्टेड. एका गांवांत जर एका वाड्यार एक मनीस जर टेस्ट जालो आनी पॉझिटिव्ह एका फॅमिलीन आनी त्या आख्ख्या वाड्याक टेस्ट कर म्हणटाले, तशें जायना. ते एक्झॅक्टली तेजे कॉन्टॅक्ट ट्रेसिंग करून जे कितें लागता ते 20-25 लोक तेजे भोवती जे आहात ते केल्यार पुरो. नाल्यार कितें जातालें खंयचे एका मतदारसंघान एकट्या आमदारान 300 लोक हेल्थ सेंटरार फुडें हाडून दवरले तांकां. म्हणजे ह्या तरेन आमी टेस्ट करूं शकना. देयर हॅज टू बी सम लॉजिक एंड देयर हॅज टू बी सम method which we follow to test.
But right now we have restricted it to only family members. Don't you think that is too small a group?
No, but it is not only restricted to family members. Yesterday there was a person in my constituency who was tested, and around him around 20-25 tests additionals we have done. So once we put some sort of a protocol, at least we know that when the testing is done, you're testing the right people, and we are not just testing because we want to test and prove a point to somebody. But when we put a protocol like this in place, at least the officials and everyone know there's a restriction on testing. So the correction in the methodology of testing and identifying the right people who need to be tested is the need of the hour.
दुसरो विशय हा तो कोविड केअर सेंटराचो. लोकांची दर दिसा कागाळी येत आसात, सुविधा सारकी ना, जेवण सारकें मेळना, नंबर एग्रीड की दिसान दीस वाडत आसा. बट एक बेजीक ज्यो फॅसिलिटीज आसपाक जाय त्यो फॅसिलिटीज दिवपाक सरकाराक कमी कित्याक पडटा. फॉर एग्जाम्पल तुमी ऑलमोस्ट एक म्हयनो जालो सांगल्यार की आमकां एक एजन्सी अपॉयंट करची पडटली, यू वील टेक केअर ऑफ दीस थिंग्स, बट अजून मेरेन तें जाल्लें ना. वॉट इज होल्डिंग यू बॅक? कित्याक सरकार हाजेर काम करना? सोल्युशन आसा तुमचे कडेन, बट पळयल्यार अशें दिसता की ताजें एक्शन जायना.
No, but I can assure you that this solution will get translated into action, and we will make our COVID hospital into a modern COVID hospital. We have taken it upon ourselves to see that we change whatever requires to be changed. Be rest assured that we are here to serve the people. We are here for the people. This government is sensitive to what is required. Sometimes, during a pandemic, there are several issues that are plaguing the state, as a result of which sometimes some decisions get delayed. Yes, but now as far as the COVID hospital is concerned, we will address every issue as far as COVID hospital is concerned and see that things are put in perspective and taken forward. As far as the COVID care centers are concerned, I do understand in certain places there was delay, but as far as hygiene and other things in the COVID care centers are concerned, I have found it extremely clean. I have personally visited the COVID care, active COVID care center. So, it's not like hearsay that I'm sitting in front of you and telling you. I have myself gone, you have seen my pictures going to the COVID care centers. I've met the staff, I've met the doctors. From a distance, I've interacted with the patients. You see, I am not a person who I am put here by the party, by the Bharatiya Janata Party with the responsibility to do some good for the people of the state of Goa through the public health department and the health services. The chief minister has been supportive, he supports, but as far as we are concerned, certain decisions have to be taken by the political leadership, and the decisions are being taken. I can assure you the decisions will be implemented as early as possible.
तुम्ही आजही म्हणा की गोंयाक दुसऱ्या कोविड सेंटराची गरज ना, म्हणजे आसा आमची कोविड हॉस्पिटल ताजी बेड्स फूल जायत आसात. ज्या तरेन नंबर वाडटा, एक गजाल सगळ्यांक कळटा की आमचे कडेन सध्या जें इन्फ्रास्ट्रक्चर आसा तें पावची ना. अशी परिस्थितीक तुम्ही कंटिन्युअसली सांगतात की दुसऱ्या कोविड हॉस्पिटलाची गरज ना, नॉर्थाक कोविड हॉस्पिटल करपाची सद्याक तरी गरज ना म्हणून. व्हॉट इज द रिझन बिहाइंड इट?
ना सध्याच्या परिस्थितीत what we are doing is, as far as the cases, the antenatal and the postnatal cases, we are making Mandur as a Mandur. I think was declared as a center by the Honorable Chief Minister. That center will be taken, monitored by Goa Medical College. As far as these centers are concerned, we all of us must realize that in our own constituencies we need to have COVID care centers if required. When people from our constituencies get affected by COVID, then we need to take care of them, and we cannot hide away from that responsibility. As far as that center is concerned, Goa Medical College will be managing these centers. And as far as we are concerned, we must ensure that at the moment when we plan and see that asymptomatic patients are put in the COVID care center, and we reduce the antenatal and postnatal cases, anga mandur shift zale, so automatically occupancy will get reduced as far as the COVID hospital and ESI hospital is concerned. So we can still manage. If tomorrow a need arises, at that point of time, we will decide. But I would not like to discuss the plan B as far as the on television on the channel, because honestly we don't want to create any kind of panic in the minds of people. Shama Prakash Mukherjee Stadium bhi आम्ही activate केल्लें आसा. जे कितें करूंक जाय, आमचे कडेन already plan B आसा. We will implement it as we move further as per what is required. सध्याच्या परिस्थितीत बेश्टे अनाउन्स करून थंय एडिशनल एक वेटेज करून आम्ही it will unnecessarily create a lot of confusion in the minds of the people actually what is happening. And as a result, we must actually put our focus on the COVID hospital and the patients in the COVID hospital so that they get the best of care and treatment.
कोणी जर पॉझिटिव्ह जालो जाल्यार ताका पिकअप करपाक 3 दीस लागतात, 4 दीस लागतात. हो इश्यू अजून आसा. तुम्ही कितलेशेच दीस पयलीं म्हणिल्लें की एम्ब्युलन्स कमी आसात, ताका लागून लोड वाडलो की तुगेलो लोकांक पिकअप करपाक त्रास जातात, वीच इज व्हेरी मच फॅक्ट. पूण ताजे उपरांत ताजें कांय जालें ना. नंबर वाडोवपाचे दृश्टींतल्यान, पिकअप करपा खातीर कितें वेगळी वेवस्था तयार करपाचे दृश्टींतल्यान. कित्याक असं जाता की आमकां प्रॉब्लेम खबर आसा, प्रॉब्लेम आमी आयडेंटिफाय करतात, पण ताजें सोल्युशन एक एकदां खबर आसून सुद्दां ताजेर एक्शन जायना. अशें कित्याक चल्लां?
ना, पण कित्याक की जेन्ना केसीस वाडटा, 108 is a dedicated service which takes not only the bodies of the deceased person, COVID infected person, but as far as the 108 is concerned, it has been working overtime as far as the students, as far as the picking up of patients is concerned from the respective places. But I do agree, in certain places it takes between 24 to 48 hours, but that is also gap is reducing. We are on it. We are seeing that all the agencies work in sync with each other, and this is the way we want to take it forward.
हे सद्याक ESI हॉस्पिटलांत
हांव अग्री जाता तुमी जे कितें म्हणटात, पण त्याच बरोबर आमकां ते फुडें व्हरचें पडटलें वेगळे तरेन. प्रेशर खूब आहा एडमिनिस्ट्रेशनाचेर, प्रेशर खूब आहा सिस्टमाचेर, पूण आमी ते दीस रात काम करून ते फुडें व्हरतले. मुख्यमंत्री कडेन आयज सकाळी चर्चा जाल्ली की सगळ्या गोष्टी आमी कशे कितें फुडें व्हरूंक जाय, त्या प्रमाणे आमी एक एक गोष्ट मार्गार लावपाचो आमचो प्रयत्न आसता.
प्रश्न हो की सध्या ESI हॉस्पिटलांत जितली डेथ्स जातात, त्यो डेथ्स आमी खूब फावटी सांगतात की बिकॉज ऑफ कोमॉर्बीड कंडिशन्स म्हणून. आनी हाजी पयली इश्यू आयला की जी कोमॉर्बीड कंडिशन्स आसतात तांकां ट्रीट करपा खातीर जी वेवस्था साधन सुविधा इक्विपमेंट्स जी ESI हॉस्पिटलांक आसपाक जाय ती अजून मेरेन ना. ताका लागून कोमॉर्बिड कंडिशन्स तांकां आसता आनी तांकां जर कोवीड जालो आनी ताजेर एग्रिवेट जालें जाल्यार तांकां साल्वार करप खूब कुस्तार जाता. डोंट यू थिंक कोवीड हॉस्पिटलां भितर ESI हॉस्पिटलां भितर ह्यो फॅसिलिटीज आसपाक जाय, रेडी जावपाक जाय, जाता तितले बेगीन?
आता तुमकां पयलींच सांगलें की जे कितें करूंक जाय, एडिशनल टीम ऑफ डॉक्टर्स, इतर काही गोष्टी जे करूंक जाय, ऑलरेडी आमचे टीम्स ऑफ डॉक्टर्स प्रत्येक कोमॉर्बिड पेशंटाक सांबाळपाक आमचे कार्डियक टीम बी रेग्युलरली थंय वयता. पूण इन एडिशन जे कितें करूंक जाय, वी आर अंडरस्टँडिंग वॉट इज हॅपनिंग. वी ऑल्सो अंडरस्टँड दॅट सर्टन थिंग्स एडिशनली आर रिक्वायर्ड. वी विल डू इट. And there's been a blanket approval given by the chief minister to see that things have to be put in place. So we will take him as any, the shortfall will be, the gap will be filled. If there's any kind of a gap between the treatment of a patient, availability of a doctor, and availability of medicines, we'll see that all the three are looped together and we are able to take care of the comorbidity of the patient and bring him out of the COVID hospital in a cured manner, in a healthy manner. We will do it. Our doctors are doing a good job. Our doctors also are overloaded, but same time we are attaching additional doctors to the COVID hospital, and we shall ensure that the Goa Medical College team and DHS team and ESI team work together and ensure that we are able to handle comorbid patients in a different way. We have, I just mentioned to you that we need to follow the AIMS protocol to take it forward, and we will do it.
महत्वाचो मुद्दो उरता कंटेनमेंट झोन्सांचो. लोकांचो एक प्रश्न आहा की कंटेनमेंट झोना भितर एकदां घाले की तांकां भायर केन्ना काडप. प्रोटोकॉल्स आसात पूण ऑन ग्रावंड जो प्रॉब्लेम आशिल्लो सद्या की टेस्टिंगच जायनाशिल्लें. मागीर एक कंटेनमेंट झोन डिक्लेअर केलो, भितरली लोकांची टेस्टच केली ना. जाल्यार हाव आर वी गोईंग टू डिसायड की कंटेनमेंट झोन केन्ना आमी डिसबँड करपाचो. ताका लागून आतां लोकांची एंग्जायटी वाडपाक लागल्या, ऑन ग्रावंड प्रेशर वाडपाक लागला. तांकां कंटिन्युअस जेवणाची खाणाची वेवस्था सारकी जायना. अशी परिस्थिती भितर तुमकां कितें दिसता की कारण जर टेस्टिंगच जालें ना जाल्यार कितले दीस म्हूण कंटेनमेंट झोन दवरप आनी हातूंतल्यान जे ऑन ग्रावंड जे एक एंग्जायटी तयार जाता, वॉट इज द बेस्ट वे टू डील विथ इट?
न हांव उलयतां, जे कितें जर स्पेसिफीक खंय इश्यू असल्यार तुमी म्हाजे नजरेक हाडून दिल्यार मुख्यमंत्री कडेन डेफिनेटली हांव चर्चा करतलो. पण माझ्या मतदारसंघान आय एम मोर इन फेवर ऑफ एन्श्युरिंग दॅट द टेस्टिंग इज डन, स्पेसिफिक टेस्टिंग इज डन रादर दॅन डिक्लेअरिंग इट एज अ कंटेनमेंट झोन. I am really not in favor of containment zones and other thing unless Mangur was a different area, Vasco was a different area. But as far as in our area, what happens? People go when you talk about the SOP, you need to have a specific SOP where we deal with limited number of people that we check, which is just required. Otherwise, what happens? There's never-ending protocol of continuously testing the people. Every person today gets scared of COVID and he wants the whole ward to be tested. So now what we do is we immediately sanitize that ward. We immediately take immediately contact tracing करून जे गरजेचे आहेत त्यांकाच टेस्ट SOP काढला so that we are able to see that the officers limit themselves in a different way.
ना हांव कित्याक विचारता कारण एक जो आसा तुमची कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सी भितर जेन्ना कंटेनमेंट झोन जाले, दे वेर हँडल्ड व्हेरी स्मुथली. थंय तांकां जेवणाची खाणाची किंवा बाकीच्या सुविधांची केन्नाच उणीव जाली ना. त्याच प्रमाणे जेन्ना एक टेस्टिंगूय जालें फास्टर आनी जेन्ना तो कंटेनमेंट झोन ते एक्सक्लूड करपाक आशिल्ले, डिसबँड करपाक आशिल्ले तेंय जालें. बट बाकीच्या खुबश्या कडेन इतली स्मुथली गजाली जाल्ली दिसना. क्वेश्चन हो जाता की तुमच्या कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सी भितर जर जावपाक शकता जाल्यार बाकीच्या कडेन कित्याक जावपाक शकना आनी बाकीच्या कडेन कित्याक जावचें न्ही. देर आर मेनी एरियाज इन गोवा जे कंटेनमेंट झोन म्हूण मायक्रो कंटेनमेंट झोन म्हूण डिक्लेअर जाल्यात पूण थंय टेस्टिंगच कंप्लीट जालें नाशिल्ल्यान म्हयनो जावन गेलो, 1.5 म्हयनो जावन गेलो तरी ते कंटेनमेंट झोना भितरच आसात. आनी तुमच्या कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सी भितरलें चित्र कंप्लिटली वेगळें आहा. डोंट यू थिंक हातूंत भितर एक डिफरन्सिएशन आसा अशें?
आमचे हेल्थ ऑफिसर आता पोंडा पेडणे आणि सत्तरी आम्ही COVID-19 ग्रुप्स केल्या आणि थंय हांव आसा. गोविंद गावडे हा ग्रुपात, एक कडे बाबू असगांवकर हा, सोपते हा, हांव आसा. पण हांव सदां ते डेप्युटी कलेक्टराच्या संपर्कान आसता. पण तीच प्रोटोकॉल आमी सगळीकडे वापरता म्हणजे त्याच तरेन आमकां फुडें वचूंक जाय. आणि मेन म्हणजे कितें आहा की आमकां वी हॅव टू बी व्हेरी प्रॅक्टिकल अँड लॉजिकल इन अवर अप्रोच टू टेक थिंग्स फॉरवर्ड अँड वी आर डुईंग इट अँड वी विल डू इट इन अ व्हेरी सिस्टमॅटिक मॅनर. केन्ना केन्ना काही गोष्टी मातसो वेळ लागू येत पण आमकां ते टर्न अरावंड करपाची गरज आसता आणि आमी टर्न अरावंड निश्चित करतले. आणि त्याच तरेन दिशेन काम चालू आसा. दीस रात आमचें काम चालू आसा. आमकां आनी काम करूंक जाय. काम करून यू विल
हो एक प्रश्न म्हाका मुद्दाम तुमकां विचारपाक जाय आनी तो म्हळ्यार वास्कोचो की you might not be directly taking the decision or you might be a part of the team taking that decision, but in hindsight अशें दिसता की वास्को जेन्ना सगळे जाण मागताले तेन्ना लॉकडावन करपाक जाय आशिल्लें आनी ती जर गजाल जाल्ली जाल्यार आज आमची परिस्थिती बरीच कंट्रोलां आसता आशिल्ली. वॉट इज युअर फ्रँक ओपिनियन इन हायंडसायट?
हांव तेजेर कमेंट करूंक सोदिना. तेजेर वाद भरपूर जाल्लो आसा. केन्ना केन्ना कोण
ना इन हायंडसायट तुमकां कितें दिसता? तुमी ह्या सगळ्या गजालीचो अभ्यास केला, तुमी सामकें स्टडी करून उलयतात. दॅट इज आय एम आस्किंग युअर एक्सपर्ट ओपिनियन. इन हायंडसायट आय कंप्लिटली अंडरस्टँड हा डिसिजन घेवन जालें, बट इन हायंडसायट तुमकां दिसता दॅट थिंग्स कुड हॅव बीन डेल्ट डिफरंटली?
No, I'm not an expert, but many times you take a decision in good faith, and if something goes wrong, we are all as a team accountable for that particular. It is not one individual person who has to be held responsible for that. It's a team that has to be held responsible if somebody feels that was a wrong decision. But I definitely feel that should be put to rest. Instead, we should go forward and see how to resolve these issues and take it forward.
हांव इतल्याचेर थांबतां. आशिल्ले गोंयचे भलायकी मंत्री विश्वजीत राणे. म्हाका दिसता गोंयकारांची सरकारा कडच्यान इतलीच अपेक्षा आसा की एक देसेंत, हांव हो शब्द परत परत वापरतां, एक देसेंत ट्रिटमेंट मेळची, इन्फ्रास्ट्रक्चर मेळचें, साधन सुविधा मेळच्यो, फॅसिलिटीज मेळच्यो. आनी काळ कठीण आसा, वेळ प्रसंग तसोच आयला, ही प्रत्येकाक हाची जाणीव आसा. पूण सरकारा कडच्यान अपेक्षा कितें की ह्यो जेन्ना गजाली सरकार हँडल करता तेन्ना ती एक बेजीक एक देसेंत स्टँडर्ड आसचें. आय थिंक तें जर स्टँडर्ड सरकारान जर दवरलें जाल्यार म्हाका दिसता बऱ्याच लोकांचे त्रासय कमी जातले आनी सरकारा वयली टिकाय कमी जातली. आय थिंक दॅट इज ऑल दॅट पीपल आर एक्सपेक्टींग फ्रॉम यू. सो सर, थँक्स अ लॉट फॉर टॉकिंग टू अस. बिजी आशिल्ले, वेळ काडलो, उलयले. ह्या प्रसंगार म्हाका दिसता जनते कडेन उलयत रावप, कम्युनिकेट करत रावप इज व्हेरी व्हेरी इम्पॉर्टंट. So thanks a lot for taking the time out and talking to us. पळयत रावात प्रुडंट. नमस्कार.